Saya lagi di guess where. Saya nggak tahu, tapi I'm just around somewhere, you know, Sentull. Okay, Sentull. I'm in Sentull. Cuma datang, kamu tahu Kang itu orang yang aku suka di tempat yang aman, tempat yang damai, where you can find peace, where you can enjoy yourself into, you know. Kang is all about enjoyment, kamu tahu lah. You know, sometimes it's just like that, you know. It's not easy to see Rubu boy say you waka come abroad like that, just because they can create your own wave, just like that. You understand? So that is what, welcome to the world of Kang. You know, sometimes I just look at, you know, when the pressure is too much, I just like going to places, just seeing things. You know, I always tell people that this country, Indonesia, is a blessed country. You know, it's a blessed country. You know, and if you come, you do your things your own way, your legit way, you don't get any problem at all. You know, so today I just okay. Let me just play to Sentull now. You know, to come and embrace nature. This is an area that is very, very good. You know. Maybe we'll walk around to just see, you know. It's a very, very good area. You know. There's trees everywhere, so the air is fresh. And there is a lagoon here. Then the lagoon there, the funny thing about the lagoon is that they wrote dilarang machine. In Indonesia, dilarang machine means please do not fish. If not, at the see some fish, they jump. It's easy for me to catch some now because this kind of place just catch, just make fire one kind like that, begin roast the fish there. You know, it would have been really fun, but what the person could do now? There's nothing I can do now. You know, so there are a lot of things going around the world, so things happening around the world that sometimes the only way you can avoid those things is just feeling free with yourself, feel free with nature. Enjoy nature. You understand? Just enjoy nature. See, like this place now, this place called Talaga Kuring. The place name is called Talaga Kuring. It's like a place where people come to relax. Families come here to relax. There's a restaurant there. You know, I just finished eating one kind hot rice from that place now. You know, maybe I would have videoed the rice because the rice was very sweet with some good fish. But what I not gonna know, I don't answer that the fish, then I hear the catch the fish. I don't really know, you know. So that's my mission here. You can see some guys that are just running. The bottom line is that people is just enjoying nature here. That's the bottom line. People enjoying nature, feeling free, feeling funky, running around everywhere. You know? So it's one of those things. So the bottom line is that Indonesia is a place of fun. You know, it's a country that they respect. There's a lot of preservation here. Like this place, this Sentull is a very, very special city because they have an international track. You know, for those people who like to ride driving, they have a circuit track here in this Sentull. You know, so it's a place of peace. And the houses here, you can see there's a house up there because the place is like there is hill. You understand? So you get money, you be on top of you, nobody they worry you. But the one thing I like most about this place is that everywhere is trees. It's a green city. It's a very, very healthy place to live. You understand? So it's my dream, you know, to own a house in this area one day. I think I will do that. That's something I have to consider, you know, to get a house here. But as soon as we started recording, the rain has started falling. So I don't really know how this is going to look like now, you know. The rain has started falling and so you see, the dilarang machine, guys, don't fish. That's the meaning of the dilarang machine. So let me just sit down here now. Yes. You see, they wrote it boldly on top, the dilarang machine, guys, don't fish. You don't need to fish here. This place, fishing is prohibited. The meaning of the dilarang machine means you don't fish here. So if you come and fish here, if they catch you, my hand not do. I would have loved to do some fishing, but I cannot do it because it's like number one, I didn't go with my fishing hook. Man, what's this? And two, I don't think it's a good idea because even though if I catch any fish here, I want to roast the fish self. It's very, very impossible for me to catch fish here. They make a roaster here. Couldn't be in need of catching fish if I not feel roaster. You know, so you get a CB. The place I'll just walk around the place more, you know, so that I'll just be walking around. So but what to be down? I can just be walking around. Like I said, it's a very, very good place. Talaga Kuring. Very, very good place. You can see, guys, people are running. Just one thing I like most about this place is the trees. You know, there's trees around everywhere here, so you can have fun. You can have fun, actually. People are just running. I like trees. I like nature so much. You know. I'm in love with nature, so I like coming to places like this just to come and have fun. Man, I love this place, man. This is a nice place. The setting, everything is, man, it's off the hook. This is the kind of place I want to live. You know, I don't know whether I will come buy a house here. Maybe I need to come and buy a house here. I think so. I need to buy a house here. I need to buy a house here because it's like, it's a good place. It's a good place. So if you're in love with nature, you come to a place like this because you really enjoy yourself. I think everybody is free. You can just come here just to come and maybe for sport purpose or just for realization, like as I'm doing now, you know. I'm just here just to see what nature have to offer here. And it's like a forest here. But the only difference is that there are houses here, people live here, and wow. What more can I say? What more can I say? It's just when you are in love with nature, you come to a place like this because everything here is just natural, and the air you breathe here is okay. You can see there is a stream here. I feel just first, I just remove my clothes and I jump better, begin to swim. Nobody go hold me, but they say the alarm machine. The alarm machine means say no catch fish here. If not, I will feel remove my shirt, dive, begin swim. Nothing will happen. You don't understand, so because this is nature. This is the good thing about Indonesia. You know, there are a lot of nature parks. You can enjoy yourself anyhow you want to enjoy yourself. No wahala. No wahala. You understand? So that's what this is just be, you know. Sometimes, you know, I just wonder, you know, like my village in Abracana, people figure somewhere like this. It go make sense well now. But how? They just sell all the land there. They go just imagine if we go around this place now, if we go around, maybe I'm going to drive around, you know, so you see this place, you know. You see the house there. You're not going to see house where get fence. But in our place, money they take the build fence, the big pass here. Man, you know, Africans, we are very funny. We are very, very funny. The money will take the build fence, he reach to build the house himself. You can imagine. The money will take the build fence, he big pass the house himself. So what the person do now? But by the way, I do with my mask, I need to miss some, I'm surely do my pocket. Once I go here, crowd then I go here now because you know, they need to take brokers, they test scholars medicine. You can't use brokers, they test scholars medicine. You know, so even though I don't say, you know, this is nature, yeah, we agree, but my man stay with me, I need to miss and don't let it take my hand. You understand? And after the thing just be, you know. You get to, you know, feel free with yourself, you know. This life there's too many stress. When you think about stress, you know, you will lose, you're not going to let you admire the beauty of life. This life is a very easy place, a very simple place for us to live. You know. Very simple place. Do the simple thing. I'll make up for myself, make I die. Maru, Papa, make a dive. I just feel like taking a swim. Trust me, but I don't know this place. Crocodile, if you go to inside the Baccara, grab me. I don't do that one. But the bottom line is, oh man, this is just so beautiful because this is a running track. There's a running track here, so it was just fun, just to run like that, man. What more can I ask for? It's a very, very lively place, you know. See now, not be small race at the run just now. Because I look the place, you know, I see many guys there. Many people they run, so I say, let me just run too. So I'm doing some exercise. You know? So it's like you just come sometime, just come and enjoy yourself here because it's like you are at peace with nature. Enjoy yourself with nature. Wow. Man. I'm in love with this place. I'm really in love with it. Seriously, I'm in love with this place, man. I'm in love with this place. This is nature at its best. You know, if you stay this kind of place, you don't get wahala. Because health-wise, you know, you breathe fresh air. You wake up in the morning, breathe fresh air. There's a running track. If you know I love this running track, with only this place alone, I must buy a house here. No. I have made up my mind. I will buy a house here in this Sentull because this place is just too good. This place is blessed. Wow. I love this place, man. Seriously. Seriously speaking, I love it. I love this place. I want all this money. No one take the same step when I take last year. When I work for me. Nice place, nice place, nice place, nice place, nice place. Well, nice place, nice nature. You know, this is like a nature park. You know, you can just come and just. It depends on how you want to do it. You want to run, you want to take a stroll. You know, just get yourself busy. So if we don't make money, what do we get for this life? But money is not everything. You can see it doesn't cost so much to live in a place like this. It doesn't cost so much.
something is on. Anyhow you do, you have money is involved. Oh, you are blessed because I don't figure. So much pressure, they may figure. I say dollar, I still want that 10 figure. I need the kind of money where go make them go to say who be this black schema where they worry out. Who am I, my baby? I want all this.
Yeah, man, let's take a stroll. Let's take a stroll. Let's take a stroll.
It's not for the shallow, why not we still there they grinding. When they ring la family they call. If not be billing, that's something is on. Anyhow you do, you have money is involved. Oh, you are blessed because I don't figure. So much pressure, they may figure. I say dollar, I still want that 10 figure. I need the kind of money where go make them go to say who be this black schema where they worry out. Who am I, my baby? I want all this.
Yeah, man, let's take a stroll. Let's take a stroll. Let's take a stroll. Like, I like this place. Like, Kilo Day. Nice place, man. Nice. This is nature at its best, man. This is nature at its best. All right, let's go to the another. Well, this is part of. On a normal day, this is where people can go inside and sit down and eat, you know, see the waves and eat. But now, because of pandemic, they're balling. All right, so don't forget to subscribe to kang.tv. We'll be bringing you more of places like this, nice places, you know, because the aim is it's a fusion of African, European, it's a world fusion, you know. Things happening in Europe. We'll be posting pictures and videos from Europe and also Africa. We'll be going around the world, you know. Kang.tv is a big project, trust me. So you're gonna enjoy it, all right? So don't forget to subscribe to Kang.tv. Have a nice day. Peace. And we are out. See you on the next episode of our Jalan. Okay? On a better day, we'll come back again and shoot here again because this is a nice place. All right. Peace.